In this video, I will show you how to set up a free website on Weebly, and how to add a newsletter sign-up form to your homepage to build an email list. Weebly is a web hosting platform with three pricing options: free, professional, and performance. The free option doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the paid accounts, but with the basic version, you can get started, and if necessary, you can always upgrade to a more advanced plan. There are different themes to choose from, for online stores, businesses, portfolios, personal, events, and for blogs. But don't worry too much about this. You can change your theme anytime you want a new layout for your website. To join, select the free plan. Weebly is hosted by the e-commerce platform Square, so you will need to have a Square account, which is also free. Enter your name and email, put in your country of residence, create a strong password, click the checkbox to agree to the terms, and you will be taken to the dashboard. You can get a Weebly subdomain name, or you can also transfer, or buy, a commercial.com domain name for your website. I recommend a free subdomain if you're just starting out, to make things easy. I created a simple website where I share a collection of ready-made Notion templates to help people increase their productivity. You can download some templates for free here, or pay a small fee for the more advanced templates. There is also another page with a list of useful Notion articles that I got from the Medium website. I will leave the link in the description below. As you can see, I have a subscription form on the homepage that connects to my email automation service. But what if you don't need a professional email list service, and just want to capture your visitors' email addresses, so you can send them an update when you add something new to your website? Well, it's simple. Weebly has a drag and drop function that makes it easy to design your site. Just click on the newsletter option on the right side, and drag it where you want to display your form on the page. I'll add mine here below on the page. To edit the form, click on the form options. You can change the name of the form, tell the script where the email addresses of your subscribers will be sent to, add a confirmation message, or send new subscribers to another page on your website. The spacing and button text are also easy to modify. You might want to add a message saying that the person will get marketing emails after they sign up for your list, so your messages won't end in their spam inbox. Finally, visitors can click the button to subscribe. If you want to see who joined your list, click on the View Entries button, and all the addresses will show up. To sign up more people to your list, you can offer them a freebie, like I do on my homepage. You can also install a pop-up form on your page. There's a website called Elfsite that offers different widgets for your Weebly website, including a pop-up for newsletters. You can choose between a free plan, with 200 views, or a paid one which is $20 per month. Once you sign up for free, log in and go to Applications. Look for the pop-up tool and choose the newsletter pop-up. You can personalize the pop-up with your title, banner, and design. Copy the code to add it to your website. To insert the pop-up, go to Settings, find the SEO section, and paste the code in the header. Save, hit the Publish button, and the newsletter pop-up will show up on your homepage. You can control when the pop-up appears by adjusting the triggers. For example, it can appear after a certain time, when the user scrolls down, or only once a day. And that's it. I will leave all the links in this video in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions or feedback, just drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, now is the best time to do so. Have a wonderful day.